just fidgets. And of course I'm going to go over them with you. So, first I have this Orbeez stress ball. And it's really fun. So I'm going to put that to the side and I'm also going to be rating it. I'll rate it a 14 million out of 10. Another one, 800 million. This is like a watercolor changing stress ball. $12 out of 10. Where's the one? My other one, it turns purple and it's blue. So I like this one way better because on the other one it looked like it was the same color. So, but this one's good. I like it better. See the light. Do you see it? I'll rate it like 1 million. Now I have stretchy ramen, which are monkey noodles for some reason. Let me stretch it. Okay. I'll rate these like a 10 out of 10. See the different colors? Way more colors than that. There's the other one. No, I lost the other one. The blue one. This is the best one because it's my favorite color. Green one, yeah, good. This one's the most realistic color, but there's another one that is more realistic that I think I lost, but there's a bunch of them. So, yeah, this is still good. So this is the last one. I don't know what it's called. Touching it is satisfying. That's what you said, Mommy. So look at this. You could clearly see